Hello guys, it is I, Zype Guy. Have you ever had someone tell you that they hate the programming language you use? You probably did. I know how it feels. Anyways, in this video, we will be looking at some programming languages people hate. I'm gonna start off with one that is probably expected. PHP. It's not surprising. If you write code, you have probably heard that PHP gets a lot of hate. It is at a point where when some people see a .php extension in a website, they just leave. People hate PHP because of several problems with its design. It was created for personal use but quickly switched to a public thing. Some people really don't agree with its syntax and its error logging is not the best. I personally don't hate PHP, it is useful in some cases, but I understand why people hate it. Next up, we have VBA. Yeah, if you don't know what VBA is, it is Visual Basic for applications. Microsoft declared it legacy in 2008. You know Visual Basic? That weird thing? Yes, that thing. Did you know that the Microsoft Office suite has it integrated by default? No wonder why people hate this. Just look at it. I mean, I guess it's useful for making macros? I don't really know. Third, we have Objective-C. Do you like C? Do you like object-oriented programming? Have you never heard of C++? Well then, Objective-C is for you. Objective-C is used to develop apps for macOS and iOS, although it has been made more obscure because of languages like Swift that are newer ways to develop for Mac and iOS. People hate it because of it being very legacy, just look at this code. Next we have Erlang? Erlang? Erlang. I think that's it. Alright, I'm gonna be honest with you, I have no idea what this is. I saw it on a list while researching for this video. It is a weird language used for, let's see. Erlang is a general-purpose concurrent functional programming language and a garbage-collected runtime system. First appeared in 1986, 35 years ago? That explains why this is in a lot of lists. Do you use Erlang? Please leave a comment explaining what it is used for mainly, because I have no idea. Finally, we have assembly. I get why people love assembly and I get why people hate assembly. Writing code with maximum performance would be great, but the issue there is ease of use. That's why people created languages that are human readable with ease. For example, C. There are some who defend that assembly is very easy to use if you understand how computers work. And there are some who defend that assembly is useless in the modern world. No matter what your opinion is, assembly is still used as the basis of many software. A lot of your favorite languages started off in assembly. I personally don't hate any of these languages. There's still an amount of people who use these, and most of them were made long ago, and probably weren't meant to be used in today's world. I really hope you liked this video. My last video has been doing very well, so from now on I will try to upload weekly. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe. Join my Discord if you want to be in a community with other programmers. This video's shoutout goes to Tantan. He's a game developer working on a game in Rust. Go support him please. And Zype Guy out.